Hey, it's Gintara from Trendos. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you something most brands have never actually checked, whether AI recommends them when their customers ask. Here's the thing. Right now, people aren't just Googling. They're opening ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini and asking straight up, what's the best tool for X, or which brand should I buy? And the AI gives them the one answer. So either your brand is in that answer or your customer never hears your name. And most brands have no idea which one is true for them. So today, I'm going to do 3 things. Show you how to check if AI mentions your brand, who it's recommending instead of you, and show you exactly where your gaps are so you can do something about them. Let's get started. First, let me show you why this even matters with a quick example. Watch what happens when I ask a normal buyer question. Best running shoe brands for beginners. Look at that. I see Brooks, Asics, New Balance, Hoka. Now look, who's missing? Adidas. One of the biggest names in sports, a brand you can probably picture right now, and it's nowhere in the answer. Now imagine, that's your brand. And this is the moment your customer is deciding. That is the entire problem in one screen. But here's the question. That screen can't answer. Was that a one-off or doesn't happen all the time? You can't really tell from asking once, because ask again in an hour and you might get a different list. So the real question is how you check this properly across every engine without typing prompts one by one all day. That's what I'm going to show you now. I will use Trendos on a free plan so you can follow along for totally zero cost. Step 1, set up the account. And you can add your brand, and right away, the dashboard shows you key insights, share of voice, your top categories, and sentiment. Step 2, and this is the one that really matters. Open brand insights and go to visibility score. Up top, I'll set the engine to ChatGPT, pick the running shoes prompt group, quick word on what this number actually is, because it is not an SEO ranking. Trendos takes these real buyer prompts, sends them to the live engine over and over across the whole period that I set. And the visibility score is how often each brand actually gets named in the answers. It's a measure of how often you are in the room, not where you sit on the page. Now look at the board. Asics is at 100%. For this question, ChatGPT names Asics every single time. It's the default answer. Then a tight pack at 82% is Brooks and Hoka and Nike. And down in 5th, our named brand Adidas at 64% only. Remember, Adidas was completely missing from that one answer? 64% is why. It means Adidas gets named in roughly 2 out of 3 answers and disappears in the other one. That missing screen wasn't a bad luck. It was that missing third caught on camera. This is exactly why we measure over time instead of asking just once. Now, don't just read the ranking, read the direction. Look at the change, numbers next to each brand. Adidas is up 21%, so it's climbing. Hoka is up 68%. That's a brand breaking out fast. And Nike is down 18%. That's the whole story of AI search in one screenshot. And you can feel it in this chart. These lines are not stable. In classic search, if you're third today, you're roughly third tomorrow. Here, the order reshuffles constantly because AI answers carry built-in randomness. That's why we say AI visibility, not AI rankings. You're tracking a probability, not a fixed position. This table tells you who's exactly reliable. Asics, the lowest it even dropped was 60%. Average 95%. It's basically never out of the answer. Now look at Hoka. Its ceiling hits 100%, but its floor is 0%. So on some days it vanishes completely. Average 58%. High potential, not dependable yet. That spread between highest, lowest, and average is your consistency. And consistency is what the AI starts to trust. One more thing before we move on. Everything you just saw is ChatGPT only, Flip the engine to Perplexity, Gemini, or Google AI overviews, or even Claude, and the picture can change completely. A brand that's strong in one can be totally invisible in another. So don't check one engine and call it done. And on the left, there's more if you want to go deeper. Mentions, position, share of voice, sentiment, and citations, which shows the actual sources the AI is pulling from to build these answers. So here's what I want you to do. Go set this up on your own brand right now. Free plan, under a minute, links in the description, and also pinned in the top comment. Run your real buyer questions and see where you stand. Then tell me in the comments which engine your brand was missing from. Because I promise, there's at least one. And once you've seen your gaps, the obvious next question is, okay, what actually gets me in these answers? That's a practice called GEO, generative engine optimization. And in the next video, we break down exactly what it is and how it works. I'll see you there. Bye.